What's up, guys? Today we have a 2016 Buick with some large damage on the left front fender. Let's go ahead and take a look. There's a lot going on in here. There's a lot going on.
Yeah, now I look at
I don't want you to rush it. I want you to just really be methodical with what you're doing and understand why you're, putting certain tabs in certain places, why you're knocking down.
Yes, exactly.
And just make sure you really see everything that's going on in here.
It's like it just...
Something
went that way. Yeah, I see it now.
But created all of that, you know? So you can still work it this way and it's fine, but just understand you're not working this crease, you're working these.
Yeah.
Right? And then if you come in this way, then now you're working it this way. You won't be really messing with any of this. You'll be working this line or this
working
crown.
that half moon out. And,
yeah. But if you're working this way, then you're working this body line. Yeah. So me personally, I'm trying to bring this all down into here. So I'm pulling again here, smaller tab, here, 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 bringing that all down into here, just to get this shape in this area, bring strength to this whole corner of this panel.
It was a very challenging repair, very complex. There were so many different areas inside the dent that needed to get repaired and pushed and ridges moved in order to get the dent out 100%.
How long did it take?
About 6 hours. That's about as long as we took to get the dent out. Definitely a lot of challenges. One of the harder ones I've tried in my career, but I'm glad I was able to get on it and push it out with the assistance of my good brother there, Dave. He definitely came and gave me a little bit of assistance and guidance in getting the dent out. Like I said, had a lot of challenges and it was very complex, but I was willing to try the dent and get it out for the customer. It's just something I needed to do and wanted to get done to see if I could do it, and I'm glad that I was able to get it out and have a nice complete repair.
One of the most useful tools throughout the repair?
One of the most useful tools, honestly, it was going to be my blend hammer, and I want to say it was the glue as well. The glue helped out a lot to move a lot of that dent. If you saw it from the beginning, there was just a big, deep low in the center of the dent. So when we were able to relieve a lot of that pressure by just knocking it down and pulling at the same time to bring that dent up. And then what we were able to do, we were able to push with a lot of our blunt tip tools and a lot of our soft tip tools in order to get the dent out nice and flat and more uniform, to make the finishing process a lot easier for us. If we weren't able to do that, if we didn't do that, we'd probably be sitting here right now still pushing on the dent.
Hey guys, Chris at Dentless Touch. If you're interested in learning paintless dent repair, we now offer a one-on-one course. The link will be in the description below. Now back to the video.